Stop paying for API keys and get complete privacy. Run powerful AI models like Llama 3 and Mistral right on your computer, no internet needed. You've probably used ChatGPT or a similar cloud-based AI. It's amazing, right? But that monthly subscription for API access or ChatGPT Plus can add up fast. And let's be honest, every time you type something sensitive, whether it's a client proposal, personal notes, or confidential code, a little voice in your head asks, where is this data really going? Who's seeing it? Is it truly private? That's the problem. You're sending your valuable information out into the cloud, completely trusting another company with your data. Imagine this, a powerful AI assistant sitting right on your desktop, completely offline. No internet required after the initial setup, no monthly bills, and most importantly, zero data privacy concerns because your interactions never leave your machine.
That's the promise of local large language models, or LLMs. This isn't just about saving money, it's about regaining complete control, achieving true offline capability, and customizing your AI experience exactly how you want it. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock this power step by step. First things first, let's get you set up. We'll be using two primary tools, Ollama for command line power and LM Studio for a user-friendly graphical interface. To get started, head over to llama.com and lmstudio.ai. Download and install the appropriate versions for your operating system. The installation is straightforward for both. Remember, both are completely free. Now, a quick but crucial hardware check. Local LLMs are hungry for resources, especially your GPU's VRAM. For basic models like Llama 3 8B, you'll ideally want a graphics card with at least 8 GB of VRAM. If you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, your unified memory acts as VRAM, so anything with 16 GB or more will generally work great. If you have less, don't worry. Some smaller models or higher quantization levels might still run, but performance will vary. A word of caution, always download models only from trusted sources. Both Ollama and LM Studio provide built-in libraries to browse and download models, ensuring they're verified and safe. Avoid downloading model files from random websites you find online. All right, with our tools installed, let's get to the core of it, actually running an LLM. I'll show you both methods, starting with Ollama for its simplicity and power. Using Ollama. Open your terminal or command prompt. It's incredibly simple. To download and immediately start chatting with Llama 3, you just need one command. Ollama run llama 3-8b-instruct-q4-k-m. Type that in and press enter. Ollama will first check if you have the model. If not, it will automatically start downloading it. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, as these models can be several gigabytes in size. Once downloaded, you'll see a prompt that says "send a message /f for help." You are now chatting with Llama 3 entirely locally. Let's try a prompt. I'll type, write a short, enthusiastic paragraph about the benefits of learning Python for beginners, focusing on its versatility. And there it is, a well-written, enthusiastic response, all generated right on your machine. Using LM Studio. If you prefer a visual interface, LM Studio makes it just as easy. Open LM Studio. First, navigate to the Home tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type Llama 3 8B instruct q4-k-m. This will filter the available models. You'll see different versions. Look for the one with q4-k-m. This refers to its quantization level. Click the download button next to it. This will download the model file. Again, patience is key here. Once it's downloaded, click on the Chat tab on the left sidebar. In the Select a Model to Load drop-down menu, you should now see your downloaded Llama 3 8B instruct q4-k-m. Select it, and LM Studio will load the model into your GPU memory. Once loaded, you'll see a familiar chat interface. Let's give it the same prompt. Write a short, enthusiastic paragraph about the benefits of learning Python for beginners, focusing on its versatility. And just like Ollama, LM Studio delivers a great response. Now, a quick but important point on q4-k. This Q stands for quantization.
It's a technique to reduce the model's size and memory footprint while retaining most of its capabilities. Q4 means it's quantized to 4-bit, which is a good balance for performance and quality on most consumer hardware. If you have more VRAM, you might try a Q5 or Q6 for slightly better quality. If you're struggling with memory, you can go lower to Q3 or even Q2 for smaller models, but with a potential quality trade-off. This is how you adjust based on your hardware to fit larger models or improve speed. Now, here's where it gets really good, especially for developers and power users. Ollama isn't just for chatting in the terminal. It sets up a local API endpoint. This means you can integrate local LLMs into your own applications, scripts, or even front-end interfaces, just like you would with OpenAI's API, but everything stays on your machine. You can find the API documentation on the Ollama website. It's incredibly well documented for programmatic access. Beyond Llama 3, both Ollama and LM Studio offer a treasure trove of other powerful models. I highly recommend exploring models like Mistral for its impressive performance, Qwen for its multilingual capabilities, or DeepSeek for coding tasks. Each model has its strengths, so experiment to find what best suits your specific needs. Simply search for them in Ollama with Ollama Run Mistral or in LM Studio's model library. For the truly advanced users, or those who want even more control, there's llama.cpp. This is the underlying C++ library that powers many local LLM solutions, including LM Studio. With llama.cpp, you can fine-tune quantization parameters, compile models for specific hardware architectures, or even experiment with custom build flags. It's a deeper dive, but it gives you ultimate flexibility. However, for most users, Ollama and LM Studio provide an excellent balance of power and ease of use. Let's talk about the real-world impact. Forget the API bills. Imagine you're a developer working on a complex piece of code. You need help debugging a function or brainstorming a new feature. Instead of pasting your proprietary code into a cloud AI, you open your local LLM in LM Studio or Ollama. You type, refactor this Python function to be more efficient, using a list comprehension. Def process data, data list, results equals empty, for item in data list, if item %2 equals 0, results.append item times 2, return results. The AI instantly provides an optimized version, and crucially, all your code and interactions remain securely on your machine. This is a game changer for privacy and productivity. It's not just coding. Think about generating creative content, stories, marketing copy, poetry, without concerns of your ideas being used to train public models, or analyzing sensitive local documents for insights. Brainstorming complex ideas for your next big project? All these powerful AI capabilities completely offline, completely private, and completely free of ongoing costs. You're in full control. And that's it. You're now equipped to run powerful AI models right on your own computer. The freedom, the privacy, the control, it's a whole new world of AI. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials, and next time we'll dive into how to connect these local LLMs to a custom front-end interface.